This faceless YouTube channel is making up to $41,000 a month just by creating and uploading YouTube shorts. And the best part is it's all done by AI. The titles, the descriptions, the hashtags, and the content were all generated using AI. Here's one of their latest videos. As you can see, it's just relatable and shareable content. And I'm going to show you how to create over 1,000 of these absolutely free in no time at all. We're going to use 2 AI tools to make this happen and automate everything. The first tool we're using is ChatGPT. I put a link in the description for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt. You'll get all the prompts in the video description. Let me walk you through what we have here. So basically, we are going to ask it to create 50 sets of facts. And sets being the topic, the part 1, and the part 2, just like you saw in the example video. I'm giving it a bunch of examples below this, and I'm also asking it to format it in a way that we can copy and paste this into our next tool, so it becomes really easy. And so it's going to give you a table with that breakdown step by step. And I also asked it to adjust with a couple different fact types like psychology, crush, relationship, boy-girl facts, and so on. And so that way we're going to get a really nice variety, and I also made it specifically focus on stuff that's very relatable. So that way it's highly shareable, highly engagement-driven. This is going to be exactly what you typically see on YouTube that you would otherwise interact with. So now let's click send. We're going to let it generate. You just want to do a quick check. Is this what you're after? In this case, is exactly what we're after. We have our column 1 with different types of facts, our column 2 is the starting point, and our column 3 of the end kind of the punchline. As it were, so this is going to generate us 50 facts to start. So here's the first 50. If we want to get to 1,000, we're just going to copy and paste the second prompt, in which is this one right here. Just says come up with 50 more using the same specifications. Do not repeat the previous ones, that way we get all unique quotes. I'm not going to have you sit here and watch me generate 1,000 videos worth of prompts, so we're going to start with just these 50 and then we'll move on. So let's copy this entire table and we're going to move on to our next tool, which we're going to use to do some automated editing. So we can put this all together and do tons and tons of videos at once. Alright, so now we're at canva.com. On the Canva homepage, here you will see this screen. Now in the search bar, type in YouTube Shorts. We're going to select the YouTube Shorts template here. Here, click Create Blank. Now this is the blank canvas. On the Elements tab, I am searching a sunset video. You can search for anything like nature, snow, or anything cinematic, well-shot videos, and then place it in the canvas. Now I am taking a text box and typing topic, and I am giving some styling here. Now let's take another text and writing part 1, then let's duplicate it. And I am typing part 2 here, and I am giving both of them some styling. You could edit the text as per your preference. Now the first step is done. If you see their video, generally most of their videos are about 9 seconds. About 5 seconds, they show the first part of the clip. And for very small time, they show second part of the clip. Because that's why people gonna rewatch the shorts again, and that'll boost the YouTube watch time. And we'll give green signal to the algorithm. That'll help the shorts to go viral. So here on Canva, I am just going to make the whole video for 9 seconds. Now click on the part 1, then show timing. You can see it is showing the timing of part 1. I want to make the part 1 for the first 5 seconds. And now for the part 2, I want it for the rest 4 seconds. After that's done, I am going to click on part 2 and place it here. Now that our template is ready. Now to generate 50 shorts video, we're going to use a tool in Canva called Bulk Create. So to access that, we click Apps in the bottom left and search here Bulk Create. And here it is. Click on it, and then enter data manually. You'll come to a pop-up like this. Here, click on Clear Table. And remember what we copied this table from ChatGPT. Paste it here, and click Save. As you can see, we have everything ready. Let's connect each data with our template. So first I am clicking on Topic, then right-click Connect Data. Now here select Topic. Now I am just dragging the part 2. And again in the same way, I am just right-clicking on part 1. Then Connect Data, and then connect to part 1. I'm connecting the part 2 in the same way. So after that's done, click on Continue, and then Generate. Within a few seconds, it's generating all the shorts. If I hit play, you can see shows the first part, then the second part, then next one first part, and then the second part. And that goes for all of these. The one and only drawback is this is all of the shorts have the same background. We need to change it manually. Like on the Video tab, I am taking some nature video, placing it on the canvas. Right-click, and then click on Set Video as the background. And you can see it sets the new video as a background. So from this way, you can customize your shorts. After you are satisfied with the shorts, click on Share, then Download. Here, check this button, Download as separate files, and then click Download. Now we've done all of that with the help of AI and a little bit of customization to make it all happen. And you just have to repeat this as many times as you need to get your desirable number of videos. Now you can start a ready-to-go AI YouTube automation channel using this great method. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you're new. So in that way, we'll keep making more videos just like this. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.